So guys, I am going to explain my 3 weeks of experience at IIT Madras. Here I have joined as PhD Aerospace Department. So I have spent here 3 weeks and also I have become Mr. Fresher here. So I will explain from July 1 to July 21 whatever I have experienced. This video I am making on July 21st. So in these 20 days whatever we have gone through, and today I have received my ID card as well. So every day we were having that is called research people, like whoever we are, MS and PhD immersion program. So they were explaining us about labs, about different things. I'll read whatever. So day one was our MS and PhD admission, and there we had games also different, and it was very nice session. 4-5 different games we played, and we interacted with the newly joined people, and we made friends also. And because of that day itself, I got 10 to 15 friends at a time together. And we all became team one, and we are doing good now. And then we had orientation program, and then we met RAS council interactions. I mean, we had this. Then we had row program. Then we had department orientation, and then introduction to academic research orientation. And then we had talks about health and mess. Then talks about hostel hygiene, all those things. Then talk about C cash. C cash is like if someone is disturbing any lady here, or any kind of like sexual harassment or any kind of thing in the campus, then for that they explained us rules and those things. And IIT Madras is very good institution for this. In my experience of 21 days, a few things I have experienced, and I have complained about that. Not complained, I mean I talked, and it got resolved immediately. It's like very fast. So see guys, IIT Madras is not only a first generation IIT. Some people say that in my previous video that what IIT Madras is giving just a degree, and we are not getting job, this, that, all bullshit people are talking in the previous comment. I used to delete all the negative comments, okay, when someone is not respecting degree. Okay, first you join IIT Madras or any IIT and you earn that degree, then you will understand either that is 2 years of MTech or 2.5 years of MS or 5 years of PhD, what it takes from you to give that degree. Okay, वहाँ पे कमेंट में बकवास करना बहुत ईजी है, पर तुम ज्वाइन करो, यहाँ पे अपने टाइम को स्पेंड करो, तब यू विल अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ क्वालिटी लाइफ यू गेट फ्रॉम IIT मद्रास और एनी अदर IIT. इट इज़ नॉट ओनली अबाउट डिग्री, नॉट ओनली अबाउट जॉब. यू विल एक्सप्लोर योर सेल्फ. समझे, जब तुम गड्ढे में होते हो ना, तब समझ में आता है कि हाइट पे जाने का मतलब क्या होता है. So we also went through some programs like AI tools. They taught us about ChatGPT, Grammarly, Perplexity, Gemini, Qbolt, Paperpal, etc. something. And then ethics in research. They also talked about self-living at IIT Madras, time management, paper publication journey, and there is something workflow, that is our internal thing, those things, communication skills, verbal, normal, professional, those things, computer center facilities they explained, and then how to reach your best potential. For that also we had session. Every day new things, career pathway, Google tools, something called Prakriti, and journal facilities at our central library, then instrumental facilities. They took us to different labs and different places to explain all those things. So our first 15-18 days were so amazing. We were meeting, we were seeing, like, see, I have uploaded a short video, like they took us to a 3D printed house, many things. See, people who already know about all these things, my video will not make sense for them. Who are already knowing about IIT Madras or IIT culture, my video is impactful for those people who are new for IIT life. Okay, what is IIT? What IIT gives you? It's not just a degree. It's not just about job, life here. And then mind your heart, self-improvement, wellness ecosystem at IIT. And yeah, one more thing you may be knowing that I have told in my previous videos. IIT Madras is having NIRF ranking 1 from last 9 years. And IIT Madras is giving 1.2 patent every day. Listen, 1.2 patent every day. And who is giving this patent? Students here. तो वहाँ जो बैठ के कमेंट कर रहे हो ना कि ये कुछ नहीं हो रहा, डिग्री मिल रही है, भाई पहले यहाँ पे आओ. First you come here, then you will understand that who you are. People who are not joining IITs, it's not like they are waste. No. It's not like they are waste. But I am talking about when you join IIT Madras, then what you feel, then what you become. Okay, Abdul Kalam sir, our ex-president. Abdul Kalam sir was not from IIT Madras, but he reached. ठीक है, Kalpana Chawla, she was not from IIT Madras, but she reached. Sunita Williams, not from IIT Madras, I mean to say, people, whoever is not joining IIT Madras, it does not mean they are waste. I am talking in my video, when you join IIT Madras, then what you get. Okay, so these things are like 20, this is 21st day here. 1st July we came, and days are starting, and we come and we attend different seminars, we meet different people, we ask several doubts, and they guide us properly. And mainly everyone will be talking about papers, patent and future. Paper, patents and future. Here you will meet people who are, I should not use struggle word. Struggle is kind of negative impact also. No one is struggling here. People are pushing themselves harder and harder to achieve, to get best from their inside. We are here, seniors are there. I can see people are, it's not like struggle, it's like they are here because they wanted to get something amazing. Okay, IIT Madras is giving 1.2 patent every day. It's not a मजाक thing. Okay, ये कोई joke नहीं है. पूरे किसी की life में, anyway, leave that, all those negative people who are talking on YouTube, bullshit thing. Okay, even if you will type anything, comment na, if you will do something hard by this, bad, that by, okay, I will just abuse you there itself, and then I will remove you from my channel. I have done this. एक नेगेटिव कमेंट करके देखो, वहीं पे गाली देंगे साले, रिमूव कर देंगे हमेशा के लिए तुमको, समझे? ओके, people who are here, only I want to motivate you, study well, get into any IIT, and then see, if you can't think, people what bullshit they're talking, if you can't make your future from IIT, how will you make, what worth you are you a worth to staying outside, and you think that you can make? One Garha was there, वो बोल रहा था कि I made this discovery, I made that discovery, and that guy is having time to comment on my video. Okay, and what IIT Madras will give you, just a degree, no innovation, nothing. IIT Madras is not giving you only degree. This is what I want to tell you. Okay, IIT Madras is mini India. Mini India means people from all around India, all over the India, and also I have seen people from different countries. When you come here, you get this kind of opportunity also. Okay, अभी कुछ गधे आ जाएंगे यहाँ कमेंट करने के लिए. See, this video is only for those people who understand the gravity when you come to any IIT, what kind of shape, what kind of path, how will you get your future plans, ideas. See, when I went to IIT Dharwad to do my MS work, that time I was not motivated for PhD. Okay, that time I was just looking for tag to run my coaching center, like, okay, already I'm running my coaching center, if I'll be having tag of IIT. But later, my brain changed. Okay, see how in joke we say brain started braining. So I started liking that research work, and then I decided, no, I also have to do PhD. Okay, you know, IIT gives you platform to jump abroad to do your PhD. I applied only to one professor in abroad, but later I stopped applying because then I made my mindset, no, I have to do PhD from India. Okay, so IIT Madras was like a perfect place for me, and I applied different IITs and all. IIT Bombay I got, IIT Madras I got, and other IITs like interview clashes and those things happened. I could not, and ISC Bangalore I did interview, but they didn't take me in. So that's fine, but IIT Madras, it was going very well. So I have planned to do some research work. I'll discuss later because so when you come to IIT Madras, what happens, I tell you. When you are MS and PhD student, okay, so they will call you before a month, maybe 25 days before, 20 days before. But in those 25 and 20 days, they will tell you what IIT Madras is, where you are, and what are the tools available in IIT Madras which will push you, and these tools you will be in need in your upcoming days of your research. For example, IIT Madras is the only IIT where people can use Perplexity for free. Okay, means this Perplexity 2 something is there. I have not explored yet. So it's like a Perplexity will use in background. It will also use ChatGPT 4.0 and all. So because alumni of IIT Madras, some senior, he has done this Perplexity thing. I don't know much about this. I have to read about this more. But during a seminar, I came to know. So that senior has done this Perplexity, and whenever any student mail will start smail.iitmadras.ac.in, then Perplexity Pro will be free for that student. So this facility is not there in any other IITs. Okay, only Perplexity, because alumni, I mean the owner is from here itself. Okay, and many things. Some people may be having that, okay, it's Chennai, it's Tamil Nadu, so hot and this thing. Guys, when you are inside the campus, temperature will always vary from 1 to 2 degree. Maybe some days it goes 3 degree difference also, because inside we have so much greenery. Right now I'm sitting somewhere near chemical department, I think, and here it is full green. So I thought where to make this video, so I thought let's have some calm place. Even my backside people are coming and going, but it's fine. And see, little sunlight is there. गर्मी ठंडी तो अपनी जगह है, वो सब तो चलता रहता है, बट IIT Madras you have to come. Whenever you come to IIT Madras, you can meet me, and if you have any doubt how to reach this, that, I will help you. Okay, you just tell me in the comment that you are getting admission here, MTech, MS, PhD or whatever, and I will guide you. And one more thing, it was so interesting, like being Mr. Fresher at IIT Madras, like on some 17th or 18th I had this competition, I think 17th, and we went through some competitions, singing and all, and we became, I became Mr. Fresher, and one girl became Miss Fresher. Okay, it was also a good journey here, good experience here. So I will tell you, when you are coming to IIT Madras, don't come with this mindset that I am amazing and I am reaching to amazing place and my life will be amazing. No, when you join IIT Madras, then you will realize all types of people are joining IIT Madras. Average people, below average people, excellent people, but what is common in all, they all are ready to push themselves in right direction. And you can see the tree, like the alumni, where are they are reaching here and there, and you will be following the legacy of IIT Madras, which is amazing. And when you will come here, automatically your growth will start. You will start learning things, you will start growing in right direction, and whatever dream is there in your mind, you want to become entrepreneur, you want to become owner of and CEO of some company. You know what, here lot of things are there in IIT Madras, Pratham and Nirman, and lot of things. I met people during this seminar and all. You just discuss your ideas with them. They will give you instrument, they will give you office, they will give you setup, they will give you little fund in the beginning, and you push your idea and convert into a company. Lot of people are there. I think they also talk some technical terms like how company and banks, they are related. Lot of talks, and people are ready here. They are waiting for the ideas. If you have idea, join IIT Madras. Definitely you will convert your idea into world class company. Everyone will here, everyone is here. They are available. Team is there to support you. Okay, it's like when you are here, then you will feel that I am here, but I don't have idea to make a company. Okay, so it's like you never thought that okay, I can have a company, or even if you are thinking you don't have idea. So you will meet people here, you will see that what kind of work is going on. Recently I met someone, I will not disclose much. They are using ground effect and they are making something, okay, that aircraft, and they will be using for some transport thing. I met personally, and many things are happening in aerospace industry. Many things are happening. So whenever you are coming to IIT Madras, come with idea, because if you will be having some idea, I am not talking about the academic part, something else. Come with some idea, meet people here, teams are there, groups are there, and professors are there. For every different this thing, some professor will be chief of the thing, like in charge, and you can meet them. Team is there, they will help you, they will guide you, they will push you, they will give you all kind of necessary platform, and you can do patent and you can publish papers, and lot of things are there. Other than research work, I am saying, this is your own thing. You can run a company, you can start a company. Okay, this is not IIT Madras Research Park. That is already there. Already there, internal people, external, they both are coming. But here, separately, I am saying, like classroom students. I have seen some professors here. From their coursework, from the classroom, students are publishing journal paper. Okay, these things are like, see, I come from a middle class family from Banaras, from Uttar Pradesh, Kashi. Many things are fascinating here, many things. So it's not like I have not seen things. I have seen things, but when it is about myself, like what I am feeling, I feel very good. My parents feel very good. My relatives, they feel very good. My friends, and they feel very good. That okay. So when you will join IIT Madras, join with very positive mindset that you are definitely going to achieve what you are planning to achieve. What are you planning to achieve? That is your mind. If you have not planned anything, first you see, if you are going to qualify JEE, and after that you will be having a different path, you will come here and join BTech. If you are qualifying JAM, if you are qualifying GATE exam, then you will be joining here for MTech, MS, PhD, these things. But whenever you are joining, you join with some idea. You join with that I have to make this kind of tool, I have to make this kind of software, I have to make this kind of industry, I have this idea, I want to convert this into company. People are here, they will help you. Note down my number, 6380135260. I am repeating, 6380135260. This is my WhatsApp number. Don't call me directly, I will not pick up. On this WhatsApp number, if you will drop that, sir, I am reaching here at IIT Madras, you want some help, path, how to train, flight, those things. So in free time I will be definitely guiding you. One more thing about food. I like South Indian food. South Indian food means sambar, rasam, karagulambu, this more, appalam, rice, all those things are there. I like so much. Here you have different types of messes, many messes, I think 8 or 18 some messes are there, and canteens are there, many things are there. Still things are not in my memory, but so many things are there. You can eat in different messes. They will ask you your requirement, and according to that, mess will be allotted to you. Veg, non-veg, everything is there. People are actually and tea shop is there, juice shop is there, Xerox shop is there inside campus, ATM is there, banks are there, and you should have one SBI account. Interesting, you should have an SBI account if you want stipend from IIT Madras, like monthly stipend. So I was not having SBI account, so inside campus itself you have SBI bank, and you will go easily. It is very smooth work. They will open your account, so they will ask PAN card and Aadhaar card, and that's all done. So our day one was very amazing. We had document verification, we had proper big hall that we say SAC, Student Activity Center. Inside that we all went, and we had 2 slots. In one slot few departments, aerospace, mechanical, civil, something, and in second slot after lunch some departments. So document verification done. After that they gave us kit. In that kit we had bottles, cap, bag, and many things were there. I have forgot few things were there, and it was interesting. And then we had chocolates, and it was a very warm welcome. Okay, it was really good, and we had a good team of volunteers. Seniors were there, people were doing so good volunteering. These things were there. So IIT Madras is not only about degree and job. It also it is also about that social life with very nice people. Okay, I have seen people here, their brain is here, but they are so much ground to earth. Professors here, they are like international level researchers, but when you talk to them, they are so ground to earth. I have same experience in IIT Dharwad also. Professors are amazing, but they are so ground to earth. Okay, so whenever you are coming to IIT Madras, just text me a message, whatever possibilities I will be telling you. Thank you all.